How to fix slow download speeds on Battle.net. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot slow download speeds on Battle.net. Make sure to watch till end, and let's get started. First, open the Battle.net app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. In Dashboard, click on Battle.net logo in the top left corner of screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In Settings tab, go to Downloads section. Under the download limits, set maximum bandwidth to 0. This might help you. If not, try minimizing network interference. Close any other applications that might be using significant bandwidth, such as video streaming services or large file downloads. If possible, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection for a more stable and potentially faster download speed. Check for driver updates. Go to Device Manager and update your network adapter drivers. Downloading during peak hours like evening can lead to slower speeds due to increased network congestion. Try downloading during off-peak hours for faster speeds. If you've tried all of these steps and are still experiencing slow download speeds, contact Battle.net support for assistance. They may be able to identify and resolve any server-side issues. And there you have it. I hope these tips help you improve your download speeds on Battle.net. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next one.